piso ang reward na matatanggap ng sino mang makapagbibigay ng impormasyon para tuluyang mahuli si Atong Ang. Inilabas na din ng PNP ang poster na naglalaman ng detalye at larawan ni Atong Ang at ang halagang 10 milyong pisong patong sa ulo nito. Ito ang sinabi ni Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla upang mas mapabilis ang pagkakaaresto kay Atong Ang na siyang makapagbibigay linaw sa mga kaso ng missing sa Bungeros. Sinabi ni Remulla na dapat na siya ay sumuko ng maayos at iwasan ang pagiging pugante. Aniya, ipatutupad ang due process at walang magaganap na extrajudicial killing. Kaugnay nito, NAPOLCOM ipinag-utos ang administrative sanction laban sa mga pulis na sangkot sa missing sa Bungeros. Tuluyan ng sinibak sa serbisyo ng NAPOLCOM ang 11 pulis na sangkot sa issue ng nawawalang sabungero nang mapatunayan na guilty of grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer.
The Commission finds respondents Lieutenant Colonel Ryan J. Eliab Orapa, Police Major Mark Philip Simborio Almedilla, Police Executive Master Sergeant Aaron Ezra Lagahit Cabillan, Police Chief Master Sergeant Arturo Opalia de la Cruz Jr., Police Senior Master Sergeant Joey Natanawan Encarnacion, Police Senior Master Sergeant Mark Anthony Aguilo Manrique, Police Senior Master Sergeant Anderson Orozco Abari, Police Staff Sergeant Alfredo Uy Andes, Police Staff Sergeant Edmond Hernandez Munoz, Police Corporal Angel Joseph Ferro Martin, and Police Staff Sergeant Renan Lagrosa Fulgencio, culpable for 6 counts of grave misconduct and 1 count of conduct unbecoming of a police officer, and are meted with the maximum penalty of dismissal from the police service in view of the gravity of their offenses and the existence of aggravating circumstances extant from the records, the accessory penalties of forfeiture of retirement benefits, cancellation of eligibility, and perpetual disqualification from holding any government positions are likewise imposed. So ordered, the whole National Police Commission. That is for the first case.
Ayon kay NAPOLCOM Chief Commissioner Rafael Vicente Calinisan, nirekomenda ng National Police Commission o NAPOLCOM sa Malacanang ang dismissal sa serbisyo ni dating CIDG Chief Police Brigadier General Romeo Macapas.
Wherefore, foregoing premises considered, and pursuant to the summary dismissal powers of the National Police Commission, it is hereby recommended that Respondent Police Brigadier General Romeo J. Macapas be found culpable for grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. The Commission therefore recommends that Respondent Police Brigadier General Romeo J. Macapas be meted with the penalty of dismissal from the police service, along with the accessory penalties of cancellation of eligibility, forfeiture of retirement benefits, and disqualification for the employment in the government service. So recommended.